Harmony and welcome back to my channel. So today I got a package from Delightful Boutique and I actually bought this with my own money. And this box is so big, like it's so heavy. So before I open this package, I want to tell you guys that I have a coupon code linked down below. So let's get started. Okay guys, so I'm going to start opening this up. This is really confusing. Oh my gosh. It's the giant melon bun. I've seen this on a lot of people's videos. I'm just like, oh my gosh, it's so big. And I finally have one. Whoa. Okay, so this is made by Puni maru. And I got the 3-pack because it was actually cheaper than just buying a single one. Because if you use the 15% off coupon code, it will turn out to be like $30, which is like the same price as one of the Puni maru bananas. So, like, check this out. It's so big, and it's made by Puni maru again, and it's super squishy and sweet scented. And it says it is a sweet scent of melon. Super jumbo. Yeah, this is really big. Oh my gosh, it's so big for my hands, I can't hold it. And this packaging is like really nice. So let's open it up. Whoa, this is so big. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It smells like melon. So like this is how big it is compared to my head. It's super big, like the size of my face. And like this is like the biggest licensed squishies I've ever seen. It's like so big. So there's also a licensing right here. License. Puni maru. And so I got a pink one, and I believe I got a yellow one and a green one. And, and this is so big, and I love it so much. So the next one is the green one. And these are so big, and I love them so much. Oh, this one has a different scent. Okay guys, so here is the melon bun out of the packaging. Super jumbo. And oh, this one actually smells like the actual melon. And this one actually smells more like a strawberry. So like that's a strawberry smell, and this is like a melon smell. Wow, that's really surprising. So on to the last melon bun. So this third one is a yellow melon bun. So we're going to squish in the packaging. And so let me take it out now. Oh, this, it smells familiar, but I don't know like what it actually is. It reminds me of this like Puni maru bear pancake with the butter. Yeah, it kind of smells like a butter maple syrup spoon, but it's very surprising. And it's kind of sticky. Okay, so this next one I pulled out is this Panda Yumi Bear Mermaid. And this is also made by Puni maru right here. And it's super cute. So let's take a look. Oh, okay, so on the back it says Creamiicandy. And so let's see what it smells like. Oh, it reminds me of like a chocolate smell. Very cute. He has like a heart tail. So on to the next squishy. So the next one I'm gonna pull out are this 3 set of koalas. And the reason I bought 3 because it's cheaper. So first we got this gray koala that's supposed to smell like vanilla. And this is made by iBloom and Squishy Shop. Here. So it's like a collab. So give it a squish in the packaging. Wow, that's really surprising. Ooh, it feels a bit sticky still. But here's what it looks like out of the packaging. Ooh. And he smells kind of like vanilla. So this next one is a blue koala, and he is a mint scent. Oh, I can smell his mint scent from over here. Oh, so cute. And this scent reminds me of Billy. Billy the whale. And then the last koala is this very cute pink koala. She is a strawberry scent. Ooh, it smells good. So these next squishies are these the jumbo marshmallow. So this first one is made by Creamiicandy, and the pig is so cute. And on the back, it's so cute. It has like a little ingredient, like how to make the pig. It has a lot of air in it. So let's take it out, get a better look at it. Oh my gosh, he has a little tail. Oh, it comes with a pink ball chain with a clear dust plug. So here's what the pig looks like. It's super chubby. Ooh, and he's kind of metallic. Ooh, he smells like a Haichu, like the strawberry one. So this next squishy is also a pig, but this one for some reason is made by Maru. So I guess they're made by different ones. And on the back is a cute little comic you can read. But one kind of skip to opening it up. Oh wait, so first I'll squish it in the packaging. Wow. Still rising. So I'm gonna open this up. Oh, so this one comes with a gold ball chain with a clear dust plug. And so we got this cute piggy here. It's really chubby. He reminds me of a cookie. Oh, I think he is a cookie. Oh, he smells like a peanut butter scent with the cookies. But he's super cute and very slow rising. So this next squishy is this jumbo polar bear. And this one is the pink kind. And you can also get a white or a bluish kind. And this is made by Puni. Do not eat, not suitable for children, not a toy. And the packaging is so cute. So let's open this up. Oh my gosh, the keychain is so cute. It's a pink ball chain and a clear dust plug with a keychain as like the bear. So here is the polar bear, and so let's see what these smells like. Oh my gosh, that smells really good. This smells like the apple haichu. Like, I'm not joking, it literally smells like it. Okay, so next we got this jumbo kiwi, and of course it's made by Puni maru. And it has the monkey on the back. Oh no, kiwi's about to slip out. Oh, and the keychain fell out. But let's put you in the packaging first. Very crisp. So let's take it out. And so let's show you guys the keychain. Oh my gosh. There's a monkey in the middle of the kiwi. And then we got a green ball chain with a clear dust plug. Special edition. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. Let me know what you think about these jumbo melon buns, because I think they're like awesome. And don't forget about the coupon code linked down below to get your own. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below what you guys want to do in the next video. Bye!